Assalam-o-alikum friends, welcome back to another new video, and in this video we are going to see that how we can install VLC Media Player in our Windows machine. So here, open your browser and open this website on your browser. You can find this website link from our video's description, so you can go there and open this website, and here you can find this download button. Just click on that simply, and then it will download the VLC Media Player setup for you few seconds. And as you can see, the download is now available, so you can click on start download to download it. And as you can see, it is downloading in my machine, and as you can see, it is downloaded. The setup is now downloaded, and I can see the setup by opening it where it is downloaded. And as you can see, it is the setup of VLC Media Player. Just double click on the setup to install the software and give the administrative rights to the software so it can install perfectly, and then choose your language and then continue, and then choose next button and then click on next, install. And as you can see, the setup is now installing. It will run the VLC Media Player when we finish, and here it is. And as you can see, the UI of the VLC Media Player, it is very simple. So what now? So I have downloaded a film, as you can see here, Jurassic World. Okay, so I want to play this film with VLC Media Player. So if this option is not showing in your computer, so what you can do here, just right click on the film or video, whatever you have, go to properties, and as you can see, it is right now opening with Windows Media Player by default. By clicking on this change button, you will able to access this option, and then here you can choose VLC Media Player and then click OK, and then apply, and then OK. And as you can see, the icon of VLC Media Player, so it's mean this video will play with VLC Media Player. And as you can see, this video is playing very well. As you can see, it is playing. So thanks for your time, have a good day. Allah Hafiz.